Hello, kitty buddies. Welcome to our science class. Today's experiment is about a rainbow in a glass. To demonstrate the concept of density and create a visually appealing rainbow effect using different liquids. You need to have materials such as clear glass or glass jar, honey or corn syrup, dishwashing liquid, water, vegetable oil, rubbing alcohol or colored liquid, food coloring, red, blue, green, and yellow, spoon or stirrer, pipettes or droppers, paper towels. Procedure 1. Set up a clean, clear glass or glass jar on a flat surface. 2. Start layering the liquids in the glass one by one in the following order. A. Pour a layer of honey or corn syrup into the glass, filling it about 1/4 full. B. Carefully add a layer of dishwashing liquid on top of the honey layer, filling it about 1/4 full. C. Slowly pour water onto the dishwashing liquid, filling it about 1/4 full. D. Gently pour a layer of vegetable oil on top of the water, filling it about 1/4 full. E. Finally, add a small amount of rubbing alcohol or colored liquid for an additional layer on top of the vegetable oil. If using rubbing alcohol, add a few drops of food coloring to make it colorful. 3. Allow each layer to settle before adding the next one. It is important to pour the liquid slowly and gently to avoid mixing the layers. 4. Observe the different layers of liquids in the glass. Discuss with the kids the concept of density and why each liquid layer stays separate from the others. 5. Using pipettes or droppers, allow a drop of food coloring into the top layer of liquid, rubbing alcohol or colored liquid. It creates a pattern or rainbow effect by adding drops of different colors. 6. Observe as the drops of food coloring sink through the layers and mix with the layer below, creating a visually appealing rainbow effect. 7. Discuss the results with the friends, explaining why some colors mix while others remain separate due to differences in density. 8. Task: take pictures or make drawings of the rainbow in a glass experiment and write a short description or create a mini science report about your findings. Do you know, these liquids do not mix because they have different densities. The liquids that are more dense are also heavier and are at the bottom, and the liquids that are the least dense will stay on top. Because of the different densities, the liquids separate into layers. Note: adult supervision is recommended, especially when handling glass and using materials like rubbing alcohol. Ensure the experiment is conducted in a safe and controlled environment.